Hi guys, thank you for allowing me to do this custom video for you. I appreciate you taking a look. So let's just jump right in here. I've done a lot of research on Dove, your competitors, and all of these things. So let me give you an idea of what this looks like. So whenever your future customers are Googling or searching for landscape in Lakewood, right? The first things that are going to pop up is what's called your map pack. Now, this is really important because it's the first thing they see, and ideally we want businesses to be in the top 3 spots. Now, I did go through and I found your listing. It is in there. It's sitting at spot number 16, and here is what it looks like. Now, this is something that can certainly get the ranks boosted. So what needs to happen is there needs to be more pictures, number one. Number two, more Google reviews. That gives you power. We don't have a telephone number here. That would be really helpful. But then the other thing is citations. So what a citation is anytime that Dove is listed, name, telephone number, and address is listed across the internet. What Google does is Google pulls that and then will boost your ranking in that map pack like we were just talking about. So that's that. Now, the second part of this that searchers are going to see is what's called the organic listings. That's all of these down here. Now, these are super important because when people go to search for things, this is where they go to select the company for the services that they need. Now, I went through and unfortunately didn't find your site listed anywhere. I went 6 pages in, and I'll be completely honest with you. Anyone that's searching for something is going to search on the first page. They're going to go to the first page. They're going to find the first company that looks good for them, and they're going to go with them to complete their services. So really important, again, to be in the top on the first page, but in one of these top spots as well. What I went ahead and did next was I pulled your number one competitor, which is Olympia Landscape, and then I also pulled your website. So I want to give you more of an idea of why they're sitting here at the top and what it would take to beat them out or get you very close to them. And here's what we got. Okay, so here the first thing is here is your website. Okay. Now, there's quite a bit that needs to be done to this site. The first thing that stands out to me is that the command or the content, right? Now, Google wants to see 1,500 words of command content on the main page of a site. What that means is it's all of this information, right? So there's not a whole lot, but it's any of this information that would be here. Now, the first thing that I can tell you is right immediately under your picture, which is right here, should be your services listed just underneath. That's really crucial because that tells people that you offer what they're looking for. Now, I ran the numbers on your site, and you guys are about 203 words, so would need quite a bit more content with keywords sprinkled throughout that content to get you ranking higher. So again, services listed underneath here with a lot more information. Testimonials, we've got one with no information, one with some information, but we would, want 3 across the page to balance out, 3 that actually have some information. There's just a lot of room for opportunity to build up. Honestly, I would go with a new site altogether, and build it from the ground up. However, this one, if it had additional content, would help you. I just don't know if it would be enough to get you where you want to be. But great start out. At least you've got a website because that's crucial. That's the very first step, and that's super important. All right, next we have got Olympia Landscape. So here's their site. It's very aesthetically pleasing. It's clear. You can see their services, their information. They've got a lot going on though, and to be completely honest, it's actually too much. Google, anything over 15 to 2,000 words tends to look a little spammy for Google. So this actually, believe it or not, as good as it looks, has too much content. And so hitting more of that sweet spot would allow us to beat them out, right? Okay, so then the next thing that I did was I went ahead and I pulled all of the data to try and figure out exactly what's going on with each site, and then of course how we can and tap into getting you ranked where they are, right? Okay, so here is your guys' site. Now, the first thing I want to tell you is there's a UR and DR rating. These are really important because this is what Google assigns. Now, we've got the UR rating, which is your trust rating right here. Then we've got the DR rating, which is your power rating. What generates these two things is your backlinks. Now, this one's a little skewed because you're running a Google site. So Google automatically gives power, but it's not really doing anything for you, if that makes sense. It's not bringing in the traffic. You just kind of automatically get delegated some power because it's a Google site. So now what a backlink is a shout out from another site. So another site has a link from their site to yours. What that does is it gives you exposure number 1, credibility number 2. Okay, so we've got 8 organic keywords that are sprinkled throughout your content. And with all of this information combined, what that's doing for your company is bringing you in 16 organic traffickers per month. So 16 folks are clicking on your site and either getting services or just gaining information, what have you. Okay, so you're getting 16 a month. Now, when we take a look at your competitor, Olympia Landscape, again, this is their trust rating, their power rating, and they've got almost 1,700 of those backlinks. But the thing about them is quality is far more important than quantity when it comes to backlinks. What this number tells me is they've got a whole lot of backlinks, but not a whole lot of powerful ones, not a whole bunch of credible ones. So this is something that could be beaten, which would rank you higher, okay? Now, they've got 1,200 organic keywords that they've got embedded in all of that content that we were earlier talking about. And as a whole, what this is doing for them is this is bringing them in 1,100 traffickers a month. That's, quite a bit of traffic that you guys are missing out on. But again, just to recap, this is doable. You can outbeat their position with some steps here. Again, we had already talked about the beginning, being in number 16, how we can boost you to get up to those top 3 spots. We went over that. We went over your website and the content that needs to be there, the keywords that needs to be there. And again, I would personally recommend a whole entire rebuild on the site. But those are the few things that you can do to boost your site as it is, okay? We went over the number of backlinks and what that looks like and the difference in what is happening traffic-wise for you guys and then, of course, traffic-wise for them. So I hope that this was really informative. I hope you got some value out of this. I would super appreciate any feedback that you have, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch.